Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry egg. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 large eggs, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, and a good quality curry powder. Also, prepare 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of fresh ginger, all finely chopped. Don't forget cooking oil, salt to taste, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Next, we'll prepare the eggs and start our curry base. Boil your eggs for 8 to 10 minutes to achieve a firm yolk, then cool them in an ice bath before peeling. In a separate pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté until it's soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until they release their wonderful aroma. Now, let's build that rich curry sauce. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder with the aromatics, cooking for about 30 seconds to toast the spices. Then, pour in the 1 can of coconut milk, stirring well to combine everything. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then season with salt and a small pinch of sugar. Finally, carefully add your peeled boiled eggs into the simmering sauce, ensuring they are well coated. Let the curry simmer gently for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish your curry egg with some fresh cilantro or chopped green onions for an extra burst of freshness. This dish is fantastic served hot with fluffy rice, warm naan bread, or even a simple side of steamed vegetables. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade curry egg.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.